Page 20, Batman theme. 4/4 time, 1 sharp in the key signature. We're in the key of G major. Make sure you can do this G major scale, 1 octave up and down. I have a video on the G major scale. Do the 1 octave stuff. 1 hand at a time, just check these notes. Right hand comes in on measure 3, and it's a 2/3 with an F natural here. Yes, it's supposed to sound edgy. Batman was an edgy dude, so here. Measure 7, you come up here. B flat now. Remember that the accidental is good for the rest of the measure. And then measure 9, you back that down. Measure 11, you're up here. I'm using 2/3 on all these. That's fine. It's kind of fun. And then they use a 1/2. Why? I don't know. I just use a 2. Well, because you're coming up here, it's easier to hear. I don't know. I just do that. Oh, it's fun. Measure 15. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then the last chord is a B flat, a D, and a G. You can do that if you want, or if your hands are big, you can do that. Whichever. So, just get all the notes down at once. Left hand. Oh, the left hand's going nuts. You're out here. And that's the tricky part. Good. 2, 1. Just with the wrist here. Don't use the whole arm here. Just the wrist. And it's a small motion. I exaggerated so you can see it better. It's a small motion. And for measure 7, you got to go from here. That's our. They say turn under, isn't that sweet? You just don't turn anywhere. Just go. You want the thumb. Just play it. Leave your hand where it is. You don't move the hand because you do that. You leave the hand where it is and the thumb reaches under. Leave your index finger anchored where it is. And then on measure 8, it ends. And then down here. I do a 2/1 because to me it's easier than using thumb. Whichever, but I like 2/1 there, measure 9. Here, 2, and then a 1. Measure 11, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Pretty much it. Put the hands together, starting at measure 3 where they are together. It's here. Hold that down for the rest of the measure. So you get the idea. It's pretty repetitious. Measure 11, you're up here. The measure 15. And here. Well, if it sounds weird and you're not sure, then spell out the chord and check it. It's a G, a C, and a B flat, a D, and a G. Once you can play it through with no hesitations anywhere, then we go back and we think about, as far as articulation goes, there isn't any. You got accents. Okay, you play them out a little bit. You have a staccato there at the end, the last line there, measure 17. Okay. They're accented too. Play them out nice and loud. And that's pretty much it. Because you can't. You just play these. That's fun. Dynamics. It starts out moderately loud. Whatever you think moderately loud is, these are going to be loud. Keep this the same. This is that's loud. Now measure 15, you come down, both hands are soft. And then you gradually go up to loud. And then very loud. Because of the accents, because you're loud with an accent that equals very loud. 1 and 1 equals 2 or so. Speed depends on how well you can do the left hand. It's got to be right there throughout, solid. If you can't, if that's your fast, that's close enough. I'll leave that up to you on the speed. You can get faster as you get better with piano, but it's got to be even, it's got to be controlled, so don't make it yucky just because you're trying to go fast because somebody else went fast. We've added pedal at the end. If you want to put pedal on that, that's fine. You put the pedal down with the notes here, and you lift the pedal with the notes for that one note. That's all right. I'm not going to show pedal in the video if that's all they're going to do. I'm sure you can handle that. You don't need pedal there, but if you have the pedal and it's handy, okay. I want to play this with you very slowly to double check these notes. I don't think the rhythm's a problem. Let's just check the notes carefully. I'll give us 4 counts. 1 and 2 and ready and go and. Two and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and hold 2 and 3 and 4 and off.